Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of getting your Microsoft Copilot API key. This key is important if you want to connect to Microsoft's AI services using your own applications or tools. Let's get started step by step. First, open your browser and go to the Azure portal. The URL is portal.azure.com. Once you're on the page, sign in using your Microsoft account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one before moving on. After you've signed in successfully, look at the top of the portal for the search bar. In the search bar, type Cognitive Services and press Enter. This will bring up a list of resources related to Microsoft's AI and cognitive APIs. If you already have a Cognitive Services resource created, you can select it from the list. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create a new one. Just click on the Create button and follow the instructions to set it up. Choose the subscription, resource group, region, pricing tier, and any other required settings. Then click Review plus Create and finally click Create again to deploy the resource. Once your resource is ready, click to open it. On the Overview page, look at the left-hand side panel. Scroll down until you find the option called Keys and Endpoint. Click on that. This section displays two API keys, one labeled Key 1 and another labeled Key 2. These keys are interchangeable, meaning you can use either one. If one key becomes compromised or you need to rotate it for security reasons, you can use the other one instead. To copy a key, just click the copy icon next to the key. If you ever need to regenerate a key, for example, if it's been exposed or shared unintentionally, just click the Regenerate button next to the key you want to refresh. This will create a new key and deactivate the old one. Right below the keys, you'll also see the endpoint URL. This is a web address that your application uses to send requests to the API. Make sure to copy this endpoint as well, because both the API key and the endpoint are required when you make a call to Microsoft's AI services. If you're planning to use Microsoft Copilot Studio or any other Microsoft service that requires an API key, this is the place where you'll find what you need. While setting up API access can be complicated, Poppy AI gives you immediate access to multiple premium AI models, including capabilities similar to Copilot, all without API keys or coding. Check out my complete tutorial on this channel where I show exactly how to use it as a complete beginner.